Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, my videos, watching and share, like, comment. Thank you, my friend. My channel, Total Search Engine Optimization, provides search engine optimization, and my channels. Total guidelines to digital marketing and search engine optimization. The very important topics, search engine optimization. I am the touches important point my videos and my lecture, my class and my tutorials. The presentation, my tutorials, today's my videos. The 6 important search engine optimization, SEO for real estate and against. The 6 important search engine optimization. The key tells to targeted local keywords and updated local craft and the show up and the search engine result page for home buying and seller in market. Publish high quality content on your website to rank higher and of your local trial keyword and increase your backlink organically. Mention the search engine ranking and over identify and optimization can create an updated content the search engine. Two major home of buy to search engine optimization. Search engine optimization next home and according of their natural accents and real the 97% buyer use the internet. There are some home search in 2023 but when the computer between again step by step and over them the millions of people hold active real increase in United States. How can easily and client and find for use to attach home the buyer and seller your real estate website and other website your niche related website. You need a strong search engine optimization strategy, SEO strategy. Search engine optimization is practical in building wheat is a grain for the people discover the real client and embracing. Below the land of important the search in optimization is 10 again so you can boost our online and process from standard cow and make in your sales. The friends, very important topics and 6 the improved search engine optimization and real again real against and which is the billion the search engine happiness and every days and your small business, large business, big business, medium business. The 6 improve your search engine optimization. The real small business, large business and medium business. Increase your large and part home is the search engine optimization important tools and again is the visitor again the real and marketing tricks and significance and boost traffic help you climb the marketing goal. Number 1, identify C keyword and to gain your keyword research. Very important. The number 1, the identify C keyword to gain keyword research. Keyword research is the online process. You many films, however, identify the C keyword, short word and long keyword, short keyword and relevance or your industry and your niche and your website, your business and etc etc. Relevant keyword which is many increase like and there's your real estate and your beauty attention etc etc. Then the public and source your the keyword research tool and keyword strategy identify search quality and then your freight and search engine optimization therefore. The number 2, improve your on page search engine optimization with local keyword. Very important, very important part of improve your local keyword and on page search engine optimization with your OS. The staying out of the strategy, then the industry, you're including your small, large, and big business. Forecast your targeted market, research your relevant audience, and simple, effective method, and optimize on-page search engine optimization, including homepage, content navigators, and web page title for local search. To start, identify the local search engine optimization keyword relevance your targeted market. This will obtain the most visible your search engine optimize your the on phrase and code and mind your real estate business, your construction business, and your real estate against and real estate mind blow real estate business, and a lot of real estate business, but I can some example the real estate business, the worldwide, the big business and the top business, the real estate business, the America real estate business targeted audience, the likely your target local search and optimize as like New York, California, then Florida, etc., the all state you targeted the audience, New York and California, Florida, Washington DC, Phoenix, Texas, Dallas, Santa Barbara, Santa Maria, etc. The to start the identified local search and optimization keywords, relevance, and targeted market, and the real estate business. Very effort and effective business, your real estate business, then your targeted local customer and your counties, and international your counties. Highly the subscription meta description, which are the web page and the anchor tracks and description image. The important the local search engine strategy, all of business, all our business up and people in how targeted market and search engine against the local business platform and these local search them. I can present just some simple example and real estate business. Number three, the keep your local action and consideration. The search engine completely use the off-page industries and factor business, and then your yellow page and your against just lot of example. Number four, the targeted local tile keyword with your business as like real estate business, real estate blog, and etc. The long tail keyword that are highly specific such term that given your site and better change of the appearance of on the first page, the SERPs, search engine result, and page the trophically there are more were long and this the keyword and after competitors and saying your keywords more relevance visitors and this long tail keyword and against and who is the first and time of phone trims. The two targeted long tail keywords and strategy conversion, the content marketing, answer traffics, high quality content, and etc. Number five, great high quality backlinks throws authorized. Very important, the number five, the high quality backlinks in links and trusted site your, and you can also establish and trust and rank the high quality search engine result page and link building, the process and according backlinks increase in customer start your start the high roads and the trust of your site. Before beginning for the identify your backlinks and using tools and for domain authorized, click your create relevant website, strong domain authorized, the search new publics, local campbell, your industries and website and more, many more. Many more. And the next, varying the important way to the great backlink from the each platform. For example, you can first guest blog identify their platform which is the old link back your site. You can mind often the external revenue subject. Number six, the maintain your search engine ranking over time. Very important point. The search engine ranking always change your real real estate business and other business, your large business, small business. Then I can example real estate business on United States of America, and worldwide real estate business is a big business. But the mention your search engine, the ranking over time, the search engine ranking always change as your real estate business create and update content. You can web page will share or follow search engine result page, the mention there the performance, and your real estate website contain the overall the identify the new ranking and your optimize. The search engine tool uses lot of search engine tools, the provide the Google search a lot of search engine and provide wide range the increase and keyword rank, and the search engine tools keyword is specifically page, and you can software automatically rank and performance update in his. The very important 6 OI, the search engine optimization, and this the any business, but I can present real estate business. Just a keyword, the highly keyword and targeted customer, publish high quality content, the mentioned search engine optimization. And the 6 OI important, the search engine optimization against any business, large business, small business. Identify and keyword, the guide or keyword research, improve on page SEO, and the local keyword and key that local content concession, and that the targeted tile keyword and blogs. And five, the generate the high quality backlinks. And the number 6, the targeted mention. And the thank you, best of luck my friend.